Hospicio de la Virgen de los Remedios is a Christian welfare institution in the city of Bohol, Cebu Province, the Philippines. It is envisioned to be the first social welfare agency in the north of Cebu, and as a foster care institution will be a home for orphans, the abandoned, special needs, and the elderly, especially the retired priests and nuns. The hospicio that would take care of Central Visayas or Cebu's poor and unwanted children, the physically and mentally handicapped, the aging people, under the initiative of the widow Mrs. Carmen Flowers, with all the heart and soul, supported friends, all the way from Australia, committee members of Ruti Hill Parish, All Saints Foundation, Mary and Tony Testa, Frank and Pina Cavazzini, Anthony Pereira, and Father Alan Late. An example and hard work of Sister Angela from Sapac, Cebu, who donated the land together with the family, and was followed by another charitable people of Cebu like Mrs. Mary Delgado, a widow of a former court judge, and engineer Arnel Joshua Armamento, a real estate developer and entrepreneur. The Hospicio provides an outreach program and a Christian, social, and work-oriented formation program. It is committed to assisting abandoned people to experience quality life with the aim of making them agents of social transformation. With the excellent location to serve the needy and strategically located at the center of the Philippine archipelago, the Hospicio will be a project that will bring hope to the hopeless and take care of the underprivileged. We have the vision, we have the land donation, the builder to facilitate the construction. The Hospicio only needs you and your kind heart to share to the project to make it happen. Hospicio de la Virgen de los Remedios, your opportunity to give back to the community, for God loves a cheerful giver.